Hello and welcome to Free Current Affairs. Today we discuss important current affair of 13 May 2021. Okay, before we discuss, kindly subscribe our Free Current Affair and don't forget to click on bell icon so that when we upload new video you get the notification first. Okay, so let's go to first current affair. Okay, which of the following state government launched OBVN? Okay, A. Delhi, B. Haryana, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Okay, correct answer is A. Delhi. Yeah, Delhi police has launched a helpline radio for senior residents who are struggling with their essential needs amid COVID-19. Okay, District Police of the National Capital Delhi has launched a COVID van helpline 01226241077 for senior citizens of the district in the neighborhood amid the coronavirus situation here. Okay, Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Next. Which bank has introduced I Choose My Number feature? A. Jana Small Finance Bank, B. SBI, C. FDSC, D. Axis Bank. Okay, answer is A. Jana Small Finance Bank. Jana Small Finance Bank has launched the launch of the I Choose My Number feature for all its customers throughout India. Okay, this new feature gives the bank present and new customers the alternative to pick out their preferred number as their saving or cutting edge account number. Okay, General Small Finance Bank is a small finance bank that commenced operation on March 28, 2018, headquartered in Bengaluru. Okay. The Reserve Bank of India issued a license to the bank under Section 22(1) of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Okay, RBI give license to common business to Jonas Small Finance Bank under Section 22(1) of BR Act 1949. Okay, very important. Prior to becoming a bank, the company was India's largest microfinance institution, Janalakshmi Financial Services, founded July 24, 2006. DigiGen is a digital banking platform launched by Jonas Small Finance Bank, headquarters location Bengaluru. CEO Ajay Kanwal. Okay. Next. Which state government has launched Mission Oxygen? Okay. A. Uttarakhand, B. Sikkim, C. Maharashtra, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Okay. The state government of Maharashtra has recently launched the Maharashtra Mission Oxygen. Under the mission, the daily production of the state is to increase to 3,000 tons. Okay. The state government has allocated Rs 2,000 crore to the mission. Okay. It will provide special incentive to the private players who are willing to bring oxygen generation unit. Okay, Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari, capital Mumbai's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Okay, next. Which organization releases World Economic Situation and Progress Prospects? WESP report. Okay, A. World Bank, B. IMF, C. United Nations, D. New Development Bank. Okay, answer is C. United Nations has said that India will be the world's fastest growing major economy in 2022. In its mid-year update of the world economic situation and prospects, United Nations projected that Indian economy will grow at 10.1% in the calendar year 2022. China has been projected to grow at 5.8%, a slowdown from 8.2% in 2021. The report said that India will register 7.5% growth rate in calendar year 2021. The mid-year update provides an upward revision for growth projection for India on the UN forecast released in January. Okay, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development United Nations Department of Economy and Social Affairs and the five United Nations Regional Economic Commission have jointly released the World Economic Situation and Prospects 2020. Okay, next. Passes is the naval exercise between India and which country? Okay, A. Indonesia, B. France, C. Russia, D. USA. Okay, answer is A. India and Indonesian navies conducted passage exercise in the southern Arabian Sea with a center of attention on civility enhancing the interoperability. Okay, from Indian Navy, INS Sadra and offshore patrol vessels with a Chetak helicopter participated in the exercise from the Indian Indonesian Navy KRI Sultan Hasanuddin, a 90M corvette took part in the exercise. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh, okay, Indonesia capital Jakarta, President Joko Widodo. Okay, there is a exercise between India and France, which is called Baruna. India and Russia Indra, and exercise in India and USA is Yuddhavas and Vajra Prahar. Okay, again there is an important exercise conducted between India and Bangladesh, that is Samprati IX. Okay, India and UK Indradhanush V between Indian Air Force and UK Air Force. Okay, Malabar exercise is between India, USA and Japan. Recently Australia joined the group. Okay, next. Who is appointed as the new CMD of BPCL? T. Ravishankar, B. Arun Kumar Singh, C. Sushil Chandra, D. S. Raman. The answer is B. The Public Enterprise Selection Board (PSB), the government head Hunter has picked Arun Kumar Singh as the chairman and managing director of the state-run oil refinery and marketing firm Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Okay, BPCL headquarters Mumbai, founded in 1952. The next. Which team has won English Premier League championship for third time in 4 seasons? Okay, A. Manchester City, B. Leicester, C. Liverpool, D. Chelsea. Okay, answer is A. In the English Premier League, Manchester City were crowned Premier League champion for the third time in 4 seasons after Manchester United lost to a 2-1 defeated against Leicester. Okay. ADB Bank estimated India's GDP growth what percent for financial year 22? Okay, A is 11%, B is 10%, C is 10.5%, D is 12.5%. Okay, answer is B, it is 10%. IDFC Bank has cut India growth projection to 10% from 11.5% for the current financial year. It in the adverse effect of the second wave of COVID-19. In a worst case scenario, the COVID-19, the bank has predicted the GDP rate to be at 8%. Okay. Next. Elisabetta Belloni, named as first woman to head of Secret Service of which country? Okay. A. Italy, B. France, C. USA, D. Saudi Arabia. Okay, answer is A. Italy. A former ambassador has been named as the first woman to lead Italy's Secret Service. Prime Minister Mario Draghi announced Elisabetta Belloni as head of the Department of Information Security (AIS) on United. Mr. Mistress Belloni rose up with the rank to become the first woman in the role of Secretary General of the Foreign Ministry, Italy's highest diplomatic post, and a position she has held ever since. Okay, Italy President Sergio Mattarella, Prime Minister Mario Draghi, capital Rome, currency Euro. Okay, who has been appointed as the head coach of Indian women cricket team? Okay, A. Ramesh Kumar, B. Rahul Dravid, C. Devashish Mohanty, D. Vinod Kavli. Okay, answer is A. That is Ramesh Kumar. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) announced the appointment of Ramesh Kumar as the head coach of Team Indian senior women. Okay, he recently coached the Mumbai senior team that won the Vijay Hazare Trophy and has worked at the National Cricket Academy as a bowling coach. BCCI, the Board of Control for Cricket in India, is the governing body for the cricket in India and is under the jurisdiction of Minister of Youth and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. The board was formed in 1928 as a society registered under Tamil Nadu Society Registration Act. Okay, President Saurav Ganguly, Vice President Rajesh Shukla, Secretary Jayasai. Okay, thank you.